The human brain consumes nearly 1/4 of the body's sugar energy, or glucose, daily. Neuroscientists have suspected that much of the glucose used by the brain is metabolized by glia, brain cells that support the activity of neurons. Previous research has shown that the brain's uptake of glucose is reduced in the early stages of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. But it had been unclear how much neurons themselves rely on glucose and what methods they use to break the sugar down. Researchers have now shed new light on how neurons consume and metabolize glucose, as well as how these cells adapt to glucose shortages. Their experiments show that neurons can absorb glucose and break it down into smaller metabolites. The study is the most direct and clearest evidence yet that neurons are metabolizing glucose through glycolysis, and that they need this fuel to maintain normal energy levels. The team genetically engineered the neurons in mice to lack the proteins required for glucose import and glycolysis. As a result, as the mice aged, they developed severe learning and memory problems. This indicates that neurons are not only capable of metabolizing glucose, but also rely on glycolysis for normal functioning. The researchers plan future studies on how neuronal glucose metabolism changes with neurodegenerative diseases, and how energy-based therapies could target the brain to improve neuronal function. The new findings may lead to the development of new therapeutic approaches for neurodegenerative diseases, and better understanding of how to keep the brain healthy as it ages.